So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is open up your planner. You can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and many more on here. So you can even add a new plan through there. And the main thing you want to do in order to restrict editing is to, let's say, open one plan. So through here you can see grid, board, schedule, charts, timeline. You can even see some more settings, which is people and assignments. So if I click on share, I can add a group. So it says here add members to create a new group. And why it's important to add members and assign them specific roles is if you add someone and you give them the owner role, so you can basically be the same, you then might risk them actually editing or deleting your tasks. If you give them just member roles, they won't be able to delete the tasks that you've handed out, so they can just do them and check them off once they're done, or move them about and stuff like that. Anything that's going to be easier for those members to do the tasks that you assigned, but they won't be able to do something like this and click on delete to remove the tasks. So through there, you can see kind of the upside of just saying you're a member instead you're an owner through here. And once you've added a member, they can't delete tasks, so they will be restricted. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.